everyone! I have just received all of my new Samsung pre-orders, so I wanted to give you a really quick unboxing. I am currently on vacation. This is not my normal studio, so the sound might be a little bit different, but hold with me because I have a lot of new items to show you. I have the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6 as well as the Flip 6 and the brand new Watch 7 for unboxing today. I'm going to show you some of my first impressions as well as the beautiful colors that you're not seeing so often here on YouTube. So here is the Z Fold 6. We don't have anything else in the box. As usual, you do get your quick start guide, a SIM slot ejector tool, and the USB-C cable, but there is no wall adapter. This is the new pink color for the Z Fold 6. I have to say it is a very, very pastel pink, so it's not super vibrant. The side casing does include the pink color all the way around the edges, and it is more of a matte color. It looks very pretty, looks very professional. Let's go ahead and take off the sleeve. The crease is still pretty prominent, but first impressions, you can definitely tell that the outer display is a lot wider. I know it's just a couple millimeters difference, but it's definitely noticeable. The crease on the inner display is definitely noticeable, but I will say that the hinge is firm. It feels very, very nice, high quality. It feels good to the touch, and I'm excited to do a full review on this little baby. I also happened to pick up the Z Fold 6 S Pen case. This was on discount because I used some Samsung credits to get it during the pre-order process. Here we have directions on how to install your case. We also have the matching Z Fold 6 pink color for this case, although they did have a variety of different colors that you could choose from. The interior is plastic, it's not soft or anything. And there's the exterior of the case. It says to slide it out, you push this down to pop it out. And here is our specific Fold 6 S Pen. This is a really pretty case. I like that it's not too thick, especially since it has an S Pen installed. I still do wish they could figure out a way to actually put your S Pen in there because I think it would look a lot nicer if they just had the S Pen in the Fold 6. To install, you just pop it into place just like any other case. There's the back of it. I'm not going to take these stickers off until I actually review the phone, but these do have some adhesives on the interior of the front part of the case. These are going to slide onto the front display like so and pop into place. Now, if you have questions about the Z Fold 6 review, let me know down in the comments below because I will be reviewing this in full. I also have the Fold 5 still in hand, so I can give you a comparison. I also happened to pick up the Z Flip 6. I got both of these from Best Buy over in Jacksonville, North Carolina because I am currently on vacation. This one also includes, there's a quick start guide in here, a SIM tool, as well as your USB-C cable. In the case, this is the yellow color for the Z Flip 6. I wish they would have kept the lavender color for this year's Flip phone. That was my favorite one from last year, and it's honestly really beautiful. I think the lavender color would have looked excellent with this build quality. We have the yellow color on all of the edges. It looks really lovely. The upgraded lenses are on the exterior of the phone. This one does include an upgraded lens. I'm very excited to test that out. The screen is a little bit bigger on the external display, the window display, so I'm very stoked to see how that looks. And the interior display, you will notice that the crease is still there, but it is very, very minimal. I also looked at this phone on display at Best Buy, and it was very hard to see the crease when it was fully extended. It looked really good, so that's going to be fun to check out in a day-to-day review as well. Phone looks really beautiful. The hinge, again, is very strong. It feels very durable, and the phone itself looks very nice and high quality. I also picked up the new Z Flip 6 case. This is the silicone case. It is not the super fancy one with the digital display. It was pretty much the cheapest case I could get. This case does include adhesives on both the front and the back, and it does have that matching pastel yellow color. I do appreciate that it has a little ring for you to put charms on or put your finger through. Very useful for accessories. Shout out to the cicadas in the background. I'm sure that's going to sound amazing on camera. But this is what you get when your tech YouTuber goes on vacation. The work never stops and the cicadas never stop. So there you go. The case is very slim. It does not take up a lot of room. It does give you a little bit of a bumper over the lenses on the camera, so that should help protect the cameras whenever you're using the phone. And it does appear to be pretty durable. So I know this is super dangerous given that I just pulled this phone out of the box and I haven't even removed the adhesive, but you know, I gotta check it. We'll be giving this a full review very shortly. And last, but definitely not least, we have the brand new Watch 7. This is the 40mm option. This is the smallest option they had available. And I also picked up the free upgraded watch band. I chose the athleisure band in the pink color, of course. I gotta match my Fold6, you know. Let's go ahead and unbox this baby. In this box, we have the quick start guide, we have the proprietary charger, and we have the watch itself. This is the silver color. I was kind of bummed that they didn't have a pretty rose gold option this year, but here's the silver one. This one also comes with a fabric band. Let's check out the band. So here is the fabric band. That looks nice. It's got Velcro on one side though. That's not great for arm hair. And last but not least, I also got the upgraded athleisure watch band. This one does look a lot nicer. It's more of a, almost like a rubberized material. It looks a lot more durable, and it does have adjustable brackets, so you can choose depending on the size of your wrist. So that was everything that I had pre-ordered from Samsung. I do have the Galaxy Ring on pre-order as well. However, I had to choose a size using their sizing kit. So that has not been delivered yet. I am still waiting on that to get delivered. But if you have questions on anything that you have seen here, definitely leave those down in the comments below. I would love to answer your questions during my full review. I did purchase everything that you've seen here from Best Buy. I picked them up at the Jacksonville Best Buy here in North Carolina. Shout out to Kylan for being so nice at that Jacksonville Best Buy. And I'm really looking forward to checking out everything with you. If you do feel like purchasing any of these, I have an affiliate link down below as well, and that definitely supports the channel. And don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll see you next time. Bye, y'all. Oh my God, it's so hot out here.
That was your mom? Did you see it? Uh-huh. Oh yeah, I see it over there, yeah. Oh yeah, they're right there. Yeah.
What if they're sharks?
No, those are dolphins. Yeah.
I'm getting a lot.
They're probably only about 3.5 feet long.
Yeah, they're little babies. There they are.
Where? Go faster.
There's the little girl up ahead of us.
Yeah, there they are.